Hello everyone, welcome back. When we try to set up a voicemail and it says call voicemail, when we call voicemail and it says error performing request unknown error. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic method is we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then do the following step. Number 1, settings. Connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. We have to keep in mind one more thing, that is we have a strong and stable network connection, internet connection. Force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Do one more thing, launch settings, enable airplane mode, wait for a couple of minutes, then disable. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.